Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Hello Canada in 1 minute. For those who are interested in saving money in Canada, here are some suggestions for you. Let's start. First of all, reduce your unnecessary subscriptions. Second, try to choose your kind of food carefully. Third, and finally, if you are a smoker, reduce the number of cigarettes daily. Tell us your opinion in the comments under below. If you liked our suggestions, try to subscribe to the channel to receive everything new. Goodbye!